but in striving to make our country righteous as well as strong. A hearty good morning to our Honorable Managing Trustee, respected Madam Principals, teachers, and all. Is not just in waving the flag, but in striving to make our country righteous as well as strong. A hearty good morning to our Honorable Managing Trustee, respected Madam Principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, India is celebrating its historic 73rd Republic Day. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be its citizens. Republic Day is the national festival of the world's largest and most populous democratic country, India. It is celebrated across the country with great pomp and reverence on 26th January each year. On this special day in 1950, we adopted our constitution, which is the largest written constitution in the world. This constitution was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was elected by the elected members of the provincial assemblies. The 299 members took almost 3 years to draft the constitution, holding 11 sessions over a period of 165 days. Today, on the 73rd Republic Day, we remember and honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters who fought for our independence and those who drafted our constitution. Today, the heroes of our country, that is, the soldiers, are remembered. Prestigious awards are being awarded to the martyrs and the heroes who have dedicated their lives to protect our country at all costs. Now, let us rise above all the forces that try to annihilate our national pride and thereby try to stop our progress as a nation. Let us keep marching towards a better future by creating a world of cohesiveness, tolerance, love, and peace. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Now, let us invite our English, Hindi, and Marathi poetesses with their compositions to fill us all with the patriotic fervor.
Respected Madam Principals, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Democratic India speeds of silver, silence is gold. Our constitution has many codes. Each code makes the people bold. The rich and poor equally enrolled. Our rights and duties we firmly hold. Fundamental rights are clearly told. But oh, how can we forget the sacrifices made by the leaders, the blessings of the elders? We live in a nation protected by the soldiers who never got to sway. It's not just Republic Day holiday. What have we forgotten? All the freedom, respect, and pride we have got. The rights, the democratic values, and what not? Why have we forgotten that the treasures were many? Our country was flowing with milk and honey. Our land of the magical land. My great India was really a land. We have the history of tradition, myth and mysticism. What else do you need to be a wealthy Indian citizen? Thank you.
आदरणीय मुख्याध्यापक, शिक्षक वृंद व मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, सुप्रभात। आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। गणतंत्र दिवस देखो 26 जनवरी के आए, गणतंत्र की सौगात लाई। इस अवसर पर आओ तिरंगा लहराए, एकजुट होकर जनमत गाए। आओ लोगों तक अपने संविधान का संदेश पहुंचाए, लोगों को गणतंत्र का महत्व समझाए। बहुत पुराना है इतिहास हमारा, बेड़ियों में बंधा था भारत सारा। 1930 में नेहरू जी कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष बने, देश हेतु उन्होंने अनगिनत सपने बुने। 26 जनवरी को आजादी का ऐलान हुआ, ब्रिटिश सरकार की तानाशाही ने इसे न स्वीकार किया। अधूरा रह गया वह सपना जिसका नेहरू जी को अफसोस हुआ। 1947 में हमें आजादी मिली, जरूरत पड़ी भारत को संविधान की, जिसे बनने में 3 वर्ष लगे। 26 नवंबर का वह दिन आया, भारत ने अपना संविधान पाया। नेहरू जी के अधूरे सपने को पूरे भारत ने मिलकर साकार किया। मिला हमें संविधान का तोहफा, इसलिए यह दिन विशेष हुआ। भारत के पहले राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी ने झंडा फहराया, अतिथि के रूप में सुकार्दों को बुलाया। हुआ वह ऐतिहासिक पल हमारा, जिससे गौरवशाली हुआ भारत सारा। धन्यवाद।
आदरणीय मुख्याध्यापिका, शिक्षकगण व माझ्या प्रिय मैत्रिणींनो, सुप्रभात। आज 26 जानेवारी, तुम्हाला गणतंत्र दिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। प्रजासत्ताक दिनाचे हे औचित्य घेऊन खास 26 जानेवारी हा पुन्हा आला आहे। आज राष्ट्रीय सण हा देशाचा उत्साहाने साजरा होईल। लाल किल्ल्यावर अभिमानाने ध्वजारोहण केले जाईल। याच दिनी संविधानाचा केला होता आपण स्वीकार। न्याय, स्वातंत्र्य, समता, बंधुता हेच संविधानाचे मूळ सार। एकजुटीने राहू आता, घेऊ आपण त्याचा मान। नको भेदभावा सुधारा, वाढो देशाची शान। स्वतंत्र भारत देशाचे नागरिक आम्ही एक आमचा तिरंगाही, संविधान ही एक। धन्यवाद। Today is International Leprosy Day. So, let us take an oath to heal the world. The biggest disease today is not leprosy, but rather the feeling of being unwanted. Quoted by Mother Teresa. How true this line stands in today's concept. So, I would like to call upon Madhura Garge for the oath.
कृपया उभे राहून प्रतिज्ञेसाठी आपला उजवा हात पुढे घ्या. मी आज स्पर्श जनजागृती अभियान कुष्ठरोग निवारण दिनानिमित्त शपथ घेते की कुष्ठरोगाचे संशयित लक्षण असलेल्या व्यक्तीला जवळच्या आरोग्य केंद्रामध्ये जाण्यासाठी प्रेरित करेल. जर कुष्ठरोग असेल तर त्याला पूर्ण उपचार मिळावा यासाठी मदत करण्याची मी दक्षता घेईन. जर माझ्या जवळपास माझ्या मित्रांमध्ये शेजारी आणि समाजामध्ये कोणी कुष्ठरोगी असेल तर त्याच्या किंवा तिच्या सोबत बसणे, खाणे, फिरणे याबाबत कुठल्याही प्रकारचा भेदभाव करणार नाही. मी अशी सुद्धा शपथ घेते की कुष्ठरोग पीडित व्यक्तीबरोबर सामाजिक भेदभाव होणार नाही. यासाठी नेहमीच प्रयत्नशील राहील. मी अशीही शपथ घेते की राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी यांच्या कुष्ठरोगमुक्त भारताचे स्वप्न पूर्ण करण्यासाठी नेहमी प्रयत्नशील राहील. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Let us enjoy the mesmerizing fancy dress performance by the students of class 1.
Good morning everyone. I am Tanushree Girdhar from class 1B. As Ahilyabai Holkar, she was a great freedom fighter. बेटी सीखेगी कल का भविष्य लिखेगी. वंदे मातरम. Thank you. Good morning everybody. My name is Maria Ruth. Please begin with a smile. Good morning everyone. I am Shiza Fatima from 1B as Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first president of India. He was the chairman of also teacher of Indian National Army. तुमको लिखूं तो मैं तुम्हें आसानी से बचा ही थैंक
Hope you all enjoyed. Now, I call upon Suhani Gade of class 1 to deliver her speech.
Morning, respected principal, madam, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Suhani Gade from class 1C. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating Republic Day. And first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of India on 26 January 1950. India became a republic. Our constitution came into force on this day. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is the father of the constitution. It is the largest written constitution in the world. It gives us fundamental rights like freedom of speech, education, religion, and more. Every year we celebrate Republic Day with great pride and honor. Republic Day teaches us to live in unity and peace. Today we live in a democratic country, so let us pledge that we will make our country the best country in the world. I am proud to be Indian and love my country very much. Some like Sunday, some like Monday, but I like Monday, and that is the Republic Day. उत्सवची रंगाचा आघाडी आज सजला. उत्सवची रंगाचा आघाडी आज सजला. नतमस्तक मी त्या सर्वांच्या ज्यांनी भारत देश घडवला. नतमस्तक मी त्या सर्वांच्या ज्यांनी भारत देश घडवला. जय हिंद.
I request Jasmine teacher to take over.
Happy Republic Day. Now, these are the prize winners for the session 2019-2020. She gets a prize for general proficiency in science, social studies, fine arts in class 8, general proficiency, social studies, Sanskrit, mathematics, science in class 9, all-rounder of the year 2022, gold medal for securing highest marks in classes 8, 9 and 10. Ananya Patra gets a prize for securing highest marks in English in class 9. Anushka Hood, highest marks in social studies in SSC 2021. Anushka M. Bhagat, second in HSSC examinations 2021. Arpita R. Khotale, she gets a prize for securing highest marks in Sanskrit in class 9 and she stood second in SSC in 2021. Adishi Kanotia for needlework in class 8. Arya S. Goyer gets a prize for general science in class 8. Deepika Kavre secured highest marks in Hindi in class 9. Secured highest marks in English and Science in SSC 2019-20. Dhanishka B. Vedekar gets a prize for participating in sports at state level. Divya Shelani for general proficiency and English in class 8. Gauri Sriram for general proficiency, science, Marathi, mathematics and science in class 9. She stood first in SSC and secured highest marks in Marathi, social studies, mathematics and science 2021. Nishma Khogravale secured highest marks in needlework in class 8. Hasika Rajdev, Best NCC Cadet for the year 2019. Himanshi Kulwani stood second in HSSC examinations 2019-20. Jhansi R. Gaikwad secured highest marks in Marathi and Sanskrit in classes 8 and 9. Janvi Shahu for Hindi in class 8. Kanak Rajoria for mathematics and social studies in class 8. Priyal P. Gaikwad, she secured highest marks in Marathi and Sanskrit in class 8. Priyanshi Vibhangi, first in SSC in 2019-20. She secured highest marks in Sanskrit and language group. She also gets gold medal for securing highest marks in classes 8, 9 and 10. Prutha P. Vienes, she secured highest marks in Marathi and Sanskrit in SSC 2019-20. Sakshi S. Gadpal. She secured highest marks in English, Hindi, Maths and Science in class 9. In SSC 2021, she secured highest marks in English, Hindi, Marathi, language group and science. She also gets the gold medal for securing highest marks in classes 8, 9 and 10 in 2021. Samia S. Khan for securing highest marks in needlework in class 8. Sanskriti A. Dharme for securing highest marks in needlework in class 8. Sara K. for securing highest marks in needlework in class 8. Sharvari Bhavne. Sonam Khobragade secured prize for fine arts in class 8. Tajalli R. Hussain. She gets a prize for securing highest marks in social studies, mathematics, science, English in SSC examination 2019-20. Vaishnavi S. Itankar gets a prize for participating at state level competitions in 2019-20. Vatisha B. Memje. Yoshika A. Sidani. She gets a prize for securing highest marks in Marathi, Hindi, mathematics, science, English in SSC examinations 2019-20. Thank you, madam.
Now, I request our Honorable Managing Trustee, Dr. Tridi Patel Madam, to speak a few words on this auspicious occasion.
Principal Madam, Vernas Bocha, Headmistress of Primary, Azra Sana, my dear teachers, and my young friends. A very happy Republic Day to all of you. This is the 73rd Republic Day that we are celebrating. In fact, as I told that day during the concert, that our celebrations had already begun on 24th itself. And the items which we had that day, it aimed mainly at Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, and now today it is Republic Day. Friends, why do we celebrate Republic Day? It is to remind us that we are the citizens of India and we are free citizens. The Constitution has given us certain rights. do we really make use of all those rights in the right manner? Can I have a reply from you people? Do we really exercise our rights in the right manner? Why no? We are independent. We are a republic country. And still you say no? Friends, what does a right mean? Every individual who is born in this world, they are born with certain rights. Whether you have your constitution or not, whether you have your laws or not, everyone has certain rights. And what are those rights? The right is that you have to live as a human being and you have to respect the rights of the other people. Because you always say that this is my right. But then do we really have that right? You can have that right only if you respect the rights of the others. You cannot violate the fundamental rights of any of the people. You should always exercise your rights in such a manner that the other person is not affected. We always think of our own rights. We say, this is my right. But before you want to exercise your right as a citizen, you have to see that you respect the rights of the other people. You should not violate the rights of the other. Friends, this is a very complex subject that way. And I think you people are too young to understand the real crux of this. We have been given fundamental rights in the Constitution. But as you said, that we are not exercising those rights in the proper manner. What is happening in our country today? We are fighting with each other in the name of religion, in the name of caste, in the name of language. Where are we going? One thing you must remember as students of this august institution, that as citizens, what are our duties? If you exercise your duties, you can exercise your rights. If you shoulder your responsibilities in the nice manner, you will have all the possible things in the world. Friends, we have to live in such a manner that each individual can develop oneself. No one is superior, remember this, no one is inferior. We are all equal. And this is what I would like to tell you as a message for the Republic Day. Please don't discriminate amongst people. Everyone is equal. Remember this. And this is the main crux of Republic Day message. Do you promise me that you will follow all these things which I am telling you just now? That you have to do your duties, you have to shoulder your responsibilities, and then only you will have your rights which you can exercise in a right manner. Friends, of course, I know that today you are in a holiday mood, and the patriotism which is brought in by these type of functions, I would not take a long time. I would like to wish you all the very best. And as students, I would like that you dedicate yourself for the good cause. You study well. You respect your parents. You respect your teachers. And I'm sure you will reach the top. As I always say, sky is the limit. If you cannot reach the sky, at least try to reach to the moon. And even if you cannot reach the moon, you can become shining stars in the sky. And I want that each of my students who are here today, they will be shining stars of tomorrow. And they will take this country in a better manner, and this place, this world will become a better place to live. Friends, wish you all the very best for your exams, for all your studies and everything. And you will try to develop yourself as much as possible. And you will be doing wonders for India. We want that India should progress. And it is you people who can take that India forward. Wish you all the very best, and may God bless you all. And may we celebrate many more Republic Day functions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, respected madam, for such a motivational speech. We will remember your message and discharge our duties well. Now, I request everyone to rise for land of our birth.